Greetings, Benjamin J from BENZTRAINZ with another in the series. Well, the almost final result of that new car with the spotlights on it. I mounted the battery pack, and I just got it mounted with foam mounting tape for now. And I'll epoxy it eventually. Anyway, I've given it a really light coat of black paint just to see what this would look like. You can still see some white showing through here. But anyway, just wanted to do a quick video. Just got this thing reassembled, up and running. And considering that's made completely out of junk, it actually doesn't look too bad. So what I'll do is use epoxy to mount that battery pack. Finish painting it, it'll actually look like a decent rail car. The nice thing, of course, is that it costs $2 to actually put this together. So it actually doesn't look too bad at all. It works, it's cheap, it's functional. So a transition car from Marx to Lionel, made out of a caboose chassis. Like I said, I'll finish getting this painted after I put epoxy on the battery pack to hold it down. Like I said, I've got it mounted with foam mounting tape for right now. But I just want to see what the end effect would be. I don't think it'll look bad at all. Once this is genuinely black, you have a usable car with searchlights on it. On-off switch right on top. I think it's more than sufficient. And considering it costs $2 to make it, it's really not too bad. So it works, it's functional. It's a Lionel to Marx, Marx to Lionel transition car, and it is now lighted. So it only took a couple of minutes to actually make this. So I'll get it finalized, epoxied, repaint it, and it's actually going to look fairly decent. Definitely worth the, I don't know, 20 minutes, half hour it took to do this. So just want to do a quick video. It works. Doesn't look bad at all, I don't think. So anyway, I'll get this epoxied, respray it, and I think it's going to look all right, considering what it's made out of. Anyway, as always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, benztrains@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.